Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to save passwords in Password Manager on your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and search for Google. Press on this. Here you can see the option of all services. You have to click on this. Now scroll down. Now you can see here the option of autofill with Google. Please click on this. Now click on Google Password Manager. Here you will find all of your saved password. If you want to add another one, then click on Add Password. Now select your app, set your username, password and note. That's it. So this is how you save password in Password Manager on your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.